Hi, let me introduce you to the Van der Burg family. There's Bob. He likes data and he likes to make informed choices. His wife is Alice. She likes to plan her vacation ahead so that everything goes smoothly, and their son Ben, who hates long commutes. They live in Zurich and are leaving for vacation in July. Once again, they won't be going away to the beach. Instead, they want to enjoy the Lake Geneva region. Luckily, they heard of a brand new platform to help them plan their trip, Airbnb in Switzerland, visualized. The platform displays some Airbnb Swiss statistics and the latest updates on the pandemic in Switzerland. For their stay, Alice wants to make sure that she will be close to the sightseeing activities in Lausanne, but she does not want to have to pay too much. She sees that Morges and Prébranche areas are looking pretty cheap. Since they will be staying for 5 nights, she makes sure to check the minimum number of nights for the region is okay, and it is. Bob, being curious about the region, wants to determine if they will be overpaying for their stay. He identifies Prébranche, which is about $100 per night, and sees that for a 2-room rental, this seems an appropriate price for Switzerland. He's also curious to see if rentals of the same price also ask to stay for a minimum of 5 nights, and he sees that for that price, many other rentals demand a shorter stay. As they live in Zurich in a 2-bedroom apartment, he's curious to see what the price range rental is. He sees that the price range is easily between $100 to $150 for a single night. He also checks out the region's review scores. Satisfied with his findings, he reviews the tips and comments and is really not surprised to find that all of these amenities are well established across rentals. Finding out just how much he can make from renting out his house in Zurich for just 5 days, he's curious to see what other listings in his price range provide. He sees that since he has a TV and a dedicated workspace in his apartment, he can fit right into the 100 to 200 price category. Bob and Alice are reassured by the positive reviews left on the website. Indeed, thanks to the platform, they were able to choose their rental. Bob is also seriously considering renting out their house. They know that for their next vacation in Switzerland, they'll be sure to return to the Airbnb platform to help them make their decision. Come check it out too!